Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is easy and delicious bread rolls. Take a half cup grated paneer or tofu, 2 green chilies and 1 tablespoon onion, 1 teaspoon spring onions, 1 tablespoon orange pepper, 2 garlic cloves, few ginger pieces and coriander or cilantro or parsley leaves, a half teaspoon chili flakes, a 1/6 teaspoon pepper powder, a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it. Make cylindrical rolls. Take breads and cut the edges. Smoothen them. Spread tomato or chili sauce. Put a paneer roll and roll it. Close it tight. Take a pan and spray oil. Keep the flame to low-medium. Fry the rolls. Spray oil again. Turn them. Keep doing this until all sides fry. When fried, take them out. Tasty and healthy rolls are ready. Thanks for watching.